All right, confirmation shot, range hot. Got it.
Nice.
All right, you want to go first?
Yeah, I guess. God, that things look small.
Oh, you got fancy guns and optics and stuff.
Zoom in. Did that hit?
I don't know.
I thought I heard a clink, but I don't know. Nope, that was a miss. There we go.
So are you to the left or the right or under? What's going on?
I'm going under.
You're going under?
Yeah. I'm just like.
Interesting.
All right, let me try and lock it on this.
Hit.
All right.
Remember ballistics. Over. So under. So you got to aim over, right? For a while. At this distance, you probably need to aim under it because it's going to be going higher because of your arc.
Yeah, you're right. Under.
Yep. So Carson and I, when we were out here shooting, it was the same thing. I was missing. I was like, he's like, you're shooting over it, and I was like, oh yeah, ballistics.
Yeah.
Bullets.
How many yards do you think this is? I wish I had a rangefinder.
100 is that road, so we're probably at 50 to 75.
Okay. There we go. Over. There you go. So you still got to hold low?
A whole dot.
The whole dot?
Yeah, I've got dots. A
Okay.
whole dot low.
Okay. Let me.
Hard. Yeah.
Why would my NBT be that far away anyways?
When do you actually need it?
Yeah.
Can you put your hand any farther forward?
All right.
Hit. No ready. Up. There's a hit. All right, we're waiting for our 5.56 brass to cool, and we're gonna try to hit stuff with our pistols. It's 100 yards.
High to the left. Right. Low. I think that hit.
It definitely hit. You can